Okay, today we're going to learn how to use models to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is not a difficult concept if you know your multiplication facts. Let's say I want to multiply 1/3 times 1/4, or 1/3 of 1/4, because remember, multiplication equals of. When I see the word of in a number sentence, I want to think of multiplication or times, okay? So let's begin with 1/3 of 1/4, or 1/3 times 1/4. When I multiply fractions, I don't have to do anything special like when I'm adding or subtracting fractions. I don't have to find a common denominator. That's the easy part of multiplying fractions. We multiply straight across. There's no butterfly involved. There's no common denominator involved. There's no big one involved. Now you've been doing multiplication all year with the big one and with multiplying straight across. So this shouldn't be any more difficult for you. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4, if I need a refresher, I can look at my multiplication chart. I can see that 3 times 4 is 12. So my answer is 1/12. Well, how does this work? Why does this make sense? Let's look at a model. If I have a box and I divide it up into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they're not very even sections, but they're sections nonetheless. I now have a box with 4 sections and I can represent 1/4. If you're going to represent 1/4, you're simply going to color in 1 of the fourths. This is 1/4 shown pictorially or with a model. Now, I want to take 1/3 of this 1/4, and I can do that. I can divide this into thirds, and I can take 1/3 of 1/4. When I do that, I need to think about the whole picture. I just extend my lines for the 1/3, and I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I have cross-colored with the purple and the black 1 of 12, or 1/12. That's how visually or pictorially or with a model you can represent multiplication of fractions. You're crossing over or overlaying 1/4 with 1/3.